Section 22 of the Revised Corporation Code. The Board of Directors or Trustees of a Corporation. Qualification and term. Unless otherwise provided in this code, the Board of Directors or Trustees shall exercise the corporate powers, conduct all business, and control all properties of the corporation. Directors shall be elected for a term of 1 year from among the holders of stocks registered in the corporation's books, while trustees shall be elected for a term not exceeding 3 years from among the members of the corporation. Each director and trustee shall hold office until the successor is elected and qualified. A director who ceases to own at least one share of stock or a trustee who ceases to be a member of the corporation shall cease to be such. The board of the following corporations vested with public interest shall have independent directors constituting at least 20% of such board. A. Corporations covered by Section 17.2 of Republic Act 8799, otherwise known as the Securities Regulation Code, namely those whose securities are registered with the Commission. Corporations listed with an exchange or with assets of at least 50 million pesos and having 200 or more holders of shares, each holding at least 100 shares of a class of its equity shares. B. Banks and quasi-banks, non-stock savings and loans associations, pawn shops, corporations engaged in money service business, pre-need, trust and insurance companies, and other financial intermediaries. And C. Other corporations engaged in businesses vested with public interest similar to the above, as may be determined by the Commission after taking into account relevant factors which are germane to the objective and purpose of requiring the election of an independent director, such as the extent of minority ownership, type of financial products or securities issued or offered to investors, public interest involved in the nature of business operations, and other analogous factors. An independent director is a person who, apart from holdings and fees received from the corporation, is independent of management and free from any business or other relationship which could reasonably be perceived to materially interfere with the exercise of independent judgment in carrying out the responsibilities as a director. Independent directors must be elected by the shareholders present or entitled to vote in absentia during the election of directors. Independent directors shall be subject to rules and regulations governing their qualifications, disqualifications, voting requirements, duration of term and term limit, maximum number of board memberships, and other requirements that the Commission will prescribe to strengthen their independence and align with international best practices.